Thank you, Pastor.
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 Sa bawat pangaral ng pastor, may binhing itinatanim sa bawat puso ng nakikinig.
In Jeremiah chapter 3 verse 15, "And I will give you shepherds after my own heart, who will feed you with knowledge and understanding." Thank you, Pastor, for your unwavering faith, guidance, and love for God's people. Your words inspire us, your prayers strengthen us, and your example leads us closer to Christ. We truly appreciate your faithful service in the Lord's vineyard.
Faithful.
Humble. Naanos.
Guwapo. Intelligent. Useful. Leader. Faithful.
Shepherd.
Worthy. Pastor.
Lawful.
Hospitable.
Kind.
Role model. Talented.
Servant.
Inspirational. Dedicated.
Obedient. Evangelical.
Compassionate.
Meek.
Anos. Dedicated.
Mataga.
Fruitful. Best friend. Gifted.
Committed.
Mabait. Guwapo.
Masipag. A mentor.
Caring. Fearless.
Christ-like.
Shepherd. A good servant.
Nagugit. Mabait.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Gifted.
Maraming salamat sa patuloy na mabuting pastol sa amin, patuloy na nagpapalakas at gumagabay sa amin sa buhay pananampalataya namin.
One word to describe Pastor Jomar: loving.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Role model. Yung Gina yung ate mo.
Talented. 1, 2, 3, go.
Role model.
Hindi na natutuwa ang ate niya, Ben. What? Last game. 1, 2, 3, go.
Role model.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Shepherd.
Shepherd.
Faithful.
1, 2, 3.
Sige, garot lang.
Faithful, mami. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Faithful. Shepherd.
See, go. Hindi nga. 1, 2, 3, time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you, Pastor.
Loko.
Game. Tayo, sweet po na. Sige na.
Next po ni Mami.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lawful.
Hospitable.
Intelligent.
you, Pastor. Thank you, Pastor. Thank you, Pastor.
Ako nakita din man ni ma'am.
To describe pastor. Okay. One. Ayaw, di ma. One. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Ang dami ko naman pwedeng sabihin. Sige, si Pastor in one word, airing.
Sige.
Kasi nandiyan lang talaga yung burte. Sure ka?
1, 2, 3, go! Anos! 1, 2, 3, go! Anos! 1, 2, 3, go! Anos! Dawa ulit! Dawa! Wait lang! Shak pa lang! 1, 2, 3. Anos! 1, 2, 3, go!
Best friend.
Yeah, best friend mo, Pastor? Best friend mo! Kailan pa? Kailan pa?
I love you, Pastor.
Sige.
Matyaga. Oh.
Thank you for all the people behind this videos. Agyaman, Iloveo, all, Mwamwa.
Lori? Kasi nandiyan. Thank you, Pastor.
Palay.
Thank you, Pastor.